Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Fan Handyman here once again. It is Thursday, September the 16th, and this is a 10-inch windmere box fan. I went up to South Carolina with my brother to help him with a job, and I stayed up there for about 4 days. And this was a fan that I originally got 3 years ago. I found this in an abandoned camper, just right up the road from us, and I got this out of it, and I gave it to my nephew when he was here. I do believe this was like a couple of years ago, and he took it back up there with them, and he sort of left it behind. Um, the fan was sitting in my brother and my sister-in-law's bathroom, and the thing had not been cleaned in years. So the fan is pretty dirty, as you can see there, and I brought it back here. I'm gonna give it a good cleaning and a good lubrication, just as I did with the climate keeper. But the fan is plastic, and it has three blades. There's the windmere badge, and it's a white and a gray color. There's the original knob. It's a 3-speed. There's the back of it. There, everything looks. There's no broken slats in it or anything. I'll look at the bottom of it here. Turn it over. And there's the feet for it. There's the information tag. Deluxe Foxman model. The model number is BF-1000, and it measures 10 inches. The voltage is AC 120 volts and frequency 60 hertz. Current is 0.45 amp, and the power is 40 watt. And there is the number there. Pretty sure you can see it. And it was made and manufactured in China. I'm not exactly sure what that is. And this did say 9219, but I highly doubt. They gave $100 for this fan. So there's the original power cord. We'll have a look at that. Alright. Looks like something gnawed at the end of it. I'm not exactly sure if it was a rat or if it was a puppy. I wish this damn thing would focus. I don't know if you can see it, but it's nothing too severe. And it says IH on it. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I'm not exactly sure how old the fan is. I do remember seeing these fans in dollar stores and drug stores and whatnot. I'm guessing maybe the mid 2000s to the late 2000s. Maybe some of you could inform me on that. The fan is really not. The air quality on it is okay, but in my opinion, I think these things are more or less known to be exhaust fans. You know, because they really don't put out much of a breeze. But since the thing is dirty and it hasn't been cleaned and lubricated in a while, that could explain the reason why it's running kind of sloppy. I did run it right before I made the video, but let's go ahead and turn it on to where you can see it for yourself, and we'll start it up here on the low speed. Yeah, the air range on it is not too great. I mean, you can put your hand up to it and you can feel a slight breeze, but the thing is dirty after all. It does have a little vibration on the low speed. Alright, we'll kick it up to medium. Alright, we'll kick it up to high. Okay, now we'll turn it off. Spin down time to it really isn't all that bad. I mean, it's not particularly locked up or anything, but the thing is going to be cleaned. I'm going to take it out to my shop. I would get out there and clean it, but it has been raining today, and I just got back from a 4 day vacation, so um, I'll take it out to the shop and I'll make a video on it. Cleaning it, and I'm gonna give it a good oiling, see what difference that will make. So, well, there you go, everybody. There is my 10-inch windmere box fan. Um, you'll be seeing part 2 on this, and take it easy. That'll do it for now. Bye bye.